Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make egg, and everybody have their own special style of making egg, and I'm gonna share my special style with you guys. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. In this recipe, I'm gonna use some onion. It's a red onion. I'm gonna use a little bit of red onion. I'm gonna finally chop the red onion. Tomato, half a tomato. Also finely diced. Green chili, touch of green chili, not so much spicy. And also some green onion. It's optional if you want to use it. Tastes good actually. So I like it. And also some cilantro or coriander, finely chopped. So our vegetable is ready. So our vegetable is ready, so I'm gonna add some spices. So half a teaspoon of salt. I'm making around 3 eggs, so you can use according to your taste. And half a teaspoon, less than half a teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, and also cumin, and some cracked pepper. Half a teaspoon of cracked pepper also. And also I like to add some garlic paste, half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna mix everything. Just like this. I forgot to add some black pepper. So I'm going to add some black pepper also. Just mix all together. So now I'm ready to cook my egg. So make sure your pan is hot. So it's almost hot, so I'm going to add some oil. It's canola oil. You can use any kind of oil you prefer to use it. About a cup of tablespoon of oil, and then I'm gonna add my all vegetables to it. We're gonna cook until all the vegetable gets softened. So make sure all the spices nicely cooked. Vegetable is cooked and soft. See, the color of the vegetable, it looks very good. So now I'm gonna add my egg. Just simply crack the egg and drop it on the top of the vegetable. That's the third and last egg. And let it cook. So I'm gonna cover the lid. We're gonna steam up and cook the egg from the top also. It takes 2 seconds. So our egg is almost ready. Look amazing. You guys can see. So I'm gonna transfer into plate and do some presentation. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing. And please do try this recipe. Pretty simple and easy to make. And it's a healthy option in the morning and fill you in and keep you energetic whole day. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. And I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.